Welcome to our 2025 edition where we explore the top 5 apps for downloading IPA files for iOS devices. But first, let's understand what IPA files are and why they matter to iOS users. In 2025, the landscape for downloading IPA files has evolved significantly. Let's dive into what's new and noteworthy. Our first app delivers a user-friendly experience with seamless compatibility. Let's look at its standout features. Next up is App 2, known for its robust functionality and ease of use. Here are the details. App 3 brings some innovative solutions for downloading IPA files. Let's explore its features and user experience. Our fourth app is renowned for its speed and efficiency. Find out what makes it stand out from the rest. Last but not least, App 5 offers a unique approach to IPA downloads. Let's discuss its functionalities. Now that we've reviewed our top contenders, let's compare them to help you choose the best app for your needs. Here are some best practices to ensure you download and install IPA files safely and successfully.